morning, how are you? Today we will make a revision. Let us remember together. The first exercise, complete. Remember with me. The first question, plus. How we can answer this question? Write ones, write tens, write hundreds. Write ones, write tens, write hundreds. Write ones, write tens, write hundreds. Start with ones, start with ones. 7, underline ones, underline ones. 7 plus 5, big number in my mind, small number on my finger. 7 in my mind, 5 on my fingers. After 7, count with me after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. 12, 2 digits. Write it 2 digits? No. Take it 2, write 2 under ones, carry up till 1. Carry up on the next number. Carry up on the next number. Add 1 on 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3. And 5 in my mind is 3 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 under tens. Underline hundreds, underline hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 2 in my mind and 1 on my finger. After 2, 3. Write 3 under hundreds. Read with me. 247 plus 135 equals 382. Okay? The second question. Minus. How we can answer this question? Write ones, write tens, write hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Although start with ones. 3 minus, underline ones, underline ones. 3 minus 9. 3 is small. Can be or can't be? Can't be. Can't be. Borrow 1 from the next number. Take 1 from 8. 8 becomes 7. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 13 is big. Can be, yes. Count after 9 to reach 13. Close your finger and count with me. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 equals 4. How many fingers? 4. Write 4 under ones. Okay? 7, underline tens, underline tens. 7 minus 4. Count from 4 to reach 7. Close your finger and count with me. After 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 3. Write 3 under tens. Underline hundreds, underline hundreds. 5 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 3. Read with me. 583 minus 249 equals 334. Okay? Number 3. Read with me. 750 equals what tens and what hundreds? Right. How we can answer this question? Write ones, write tens, write hundreds, and put each digit in each place. Okay? Write ones in ones, tens in tens, hundreds in hundreds. Ones. What is the number here? Ones. 0. Right here 0. Tens. Where is tens? 5. Right here 5. Hundreds. Where is the hundreds? We have 7. We have 700. The number, read with me, 750 equals 0 in ones and 5 with tens and 7 in hundreds. Okay? The number 4. Read with me and focus. The place value of digit 3, underline 3, this number 832 is the place value. In place value, write ones or tens or hundreds. Is 3 in this number ones or tens or hundreds? Ones, tens, hundreds. Is 3 what? Is 3 in tens. Right here, tens. The place value is tens. Okay? Number 5, the value of digit 1 in 140. In 140, the value like an expanded form. As I read, as I write. You read 100, 100. You read 100, write 100. This is the value. The value of digit 1 in 140 is 100. Number 6. The greatest two-digit number is the greatest digit. Remember with me, the greatest one-digit number is what? In 9. In 9 is the greatest one digit. So the greatest two digits is 99. Okay? The greatest one digit 9. Greatest two digit 99. The greatest three digit 999. Okay? Number 7. Read with me. The first day in the week is Sunday. Right? Sunday is the first day in the week. Number 8. The first month in the year is January. Right? January is the first month. Number 9, we have expanded form, right? And standard form. Okay? Read with me. Write ones, write tens, write hundreds. Read with me. 200. Write 2 under hundreds. Write 2 under hundreds. Plus 40. Write 4 under tens. Plus 9. Write 9 under ones. The number 249. Okay? Number 10. Read with me. 872. Write this number in expanded form. You write the value. Or put 0. In ones, no zeros. At tens, take 1 0. In hundreds, take 2 zeros. In 8, in 100 ones, tens, hundreds. 800s. In 8, in hundreds, take 2 zeros. 870, you read 70, write 70. 7 in tens, take 1 0. 872, right? You read 2, write 2. And once, no zeros, okay? Number 11, read with me. 561 in standard form. Write in standard form. As you read, as you write. 500, right here, 500. 61, right, 61. 561 in standard form. Number 12, read with me. 315 in word form. Write 300 by letters, by words. 3, remember with me, 3 hundreds and 15. Right? 15 here. No. 15. That's it. 13. Read with me. 304, 172. Compare between these numbers. How we can answer this question? At first, put circle under hundreds or underline hundreds, underline hundreds. Here we have 3 digits with 3 digits. Underline the big digit. 3. Here 1, 300, 100. Which is bigger? 300 is bigger. 304 is greater than.
يا مروة حرام عليك يا
ما عرفتش ليه ايه. Number 11. Read with me. 561 in standard form. Write in standard form. 500. You read 500. Write 500 by numbers. 561. Write 61. 561 in digits. Number 12. 315 in word form. Write in word form by letters. 300. Write at first. Write 3. Remember with me. 300 and 15. 300 and 15. Right? 15. Number 13. Read with me. 304 and 172. Compare between the two numbers. Compare. How we can answer this question? At first, count the digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits with 3 digits. Okay? Underline the biggest digit. Here we have 3. Underline hundreds. Underline hundreds. Here we have 300. Here we have 100. Which is greater? Is 300. Sure, 300 is greater than 100. 304 is greater than 172. Okay? Number 14. Compare. Also compare, but between the two numbers, standard form and expanded form. Here we should write in standard form. 700 plus 20 plus 5. Write in standard form. 725. 725, 800. 3 digits with 3 digits. Underline hundreds. Underline hundreds. Here we have 700. Here we have 800. 700 is less than 800. 725 is less than 841. Okay? Number 15. 800 equals what tens? 800s. Right here. 800s. 800s equal what tens? It tens take 0. It tens take 0. Cancel 0. Cancel 0. Right? 80. 800s. Then 800s equal 80 tens. 80 tens. Another method. Remember with me. 80 tens equal 80 tens. Write 80 with tens. Take 1 0. 80 tens equal 800. 800 equals 80 tens. Okay? The next Read with me. 20 tenths. Write the number. Right here 20. A tenth. Put 1 0. 20 tenths equals 200. Number 17. Read with me and remember. The rhombus has. How many sides a rhombus? Let's draw the rhombus. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rhombus has 4 sides. Okay? 18. Read with me. The hexagon has. How many vertices? In hexagon. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 vertices. Number 19. Read with me. The cuboid has how many edges? The cuboid has 12 edges. 12 edges. Number 20. The cube has how many faces? Remember with me, how many faces? 6 faces. The cube has 6 faces. The next question, read with me. 7 plus what equals 10? 7 plus what equals 10? Count after 7 to reach 10. Close your finger and count with me. After 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 3. That 3 plus 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay? 22. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is a double. 5 plus 5 doubles. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 23, read with me. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is double? No. Take 3 plus 4. Take 3 from 4. 3 plus what equals 4? After 3, 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Right here, 3 plus 3 plus 1. Plus 3 plus 1. Then we have doubles plus 1. Doubles plus 1. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 23. Read with me. 41 plus 10 equals 41 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 mean increase a tenths by 1. Increase the tenths plus 1. Add 1 on 4. 40 plus 10 equals 50. And ones still the same. Increase 1, let tenths. 41 plus 10 equals 51. Okay? The next question. 61 minus 20. Minus 20 mean decrease the tenths by 2. Decrease by 2. Or minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Then 60 become 40. 60 become 40. Will once still the same. 61 minus 20 equals 41. Okay? The next question. Read with me. The smallest number formed from these digits 2, 7, 1 is the smallest. We will arrange from the small to the big. But write ones, tens, hundreds. Start by the hundreds. Where is the smallest number? have 2 and 7. Where is the small? 2. Write 2 under tens. The last one is 7. Then the number is the smallest number formed from these digits is 127. Okay? The next question. The greatest number formed from 3, 2, and 9 is the greatest. Mean you will arrange from the greatest to the smallest. Write ones, tens, hundreds. Where is the greatest number? In 9. In 9 is the greatest. Write 9 under hundreds. Right here 9. 3 and 2. Where is the greater? Which is greater? 3. Write 3 under tens. The last digit is 2. Then the number, the greatest number formed from these digits is 932. Okay? The next exercise, arrange the following. We have ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, we arrange from the small to the greatest, from the smallest to the greatest. Okay? At first, you should count the digits. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. How we can answer the question? Underline hundreds, underline hundreds, underline hundreds, underline hundreds. Here we will start with the smallest ascending order. Start with the smallest. Where is the smallest number here? 200 or 900 or 600 or 1? And 100 is the smallest. The smallest. 123. Then we have 200 and 900 and 600. Where is the smallest? 200. Cancel 200. Write here 241. We have 900 and 600. Where is the smallest? The smallest 900 or 600? 625. The last number 900. Right here 905. Okay? Descending order. Descending means from the greatest to the smallest. What is the greatest number? 200, 900, 600, 100 or 100 and 900. Right here 905. Then we have 200 and 600 and 100. Which is greatest? 600. Right here 625. We have 200 and 100. Which is the greatest? Which is greater? 200. Right here 241. The last number 123. Okay? What is the time? What is the time? We have here analog clock and digital clock. Okay? In analog clock, you must we have long hand and short hand. The long hand stopped on 3. A long hand stopped on 3. Right here 15 minutes. Stopped on 3, 15 minutes. And write quarter past. Quarter past what? Look at the short hand. The short hand stopped on between 2 and 3. You got 2. Quarter past 2. Right here 2. using the bar graph to complete the table. We will use the bar graph to complete the table. We have subject math, English, Arabic, and science. Here we have number of students who like these subjects, okay? Look here, math. How many students who like math? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 like math, okay? Look at English and count with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 like English. Arabic. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 students who like Arabic. Look at science. Count with me. 1, 2. We have 2 students who like science. That's it. Goodbye.